Hey everyone, Angel and Gabe here. Okay, now it's Gabe's turn to apply the tea mix to Gabriel's hair in the same way that I did mine in my video that just came out a couple days ago. This time we're going to be doing Gabriel's hair. I'm not going to be showing the recipe in this video because I did it in my video. If you want to check that out, it's the video called Herbs for Hair Growth and Thickness. These herbs are a mixture of 4 herbs that I used plus aloe, which is fenugreek, rosemary, nettle leaf, and China green tea. So essentially you brew it up like some tea, you let it sit in his hair overnight, and bam. So Gabriel really wanted to pose like Spider-Man, so I said go for it, dude. These are his results. Amazing, super soft. We did deep condition like normal, but I didn't lock in everything. I kind of just left it in for 15 minutes and then rinsed it out. I did not add any products to his hair after this, just washed and conditioned. And these are his results, just with the teas and a few oils that we mixed in with the teas. That is amazing. Let me know if you like these results. Bye everyone, hope you liked this video. Gabriel's hair came out amazing. Let us know if you try this little DIY that we did in both of our hairs, and Gabriel's beautiful curly hair and my straight hair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram, and until we meet again, say bye.
Bye. And subscribe us.